One, lift the leg, stop the girl. Two, now we lead her to the side just with the frame, not with the leg. We go three, we block her. Four, and we both tap to the side. Now I'm going to break back and I'm just going to make like I'm touching with the leg, but I'm not. I'm stopping her with my frame. Five, I close. Six, I tap on my right leg. Seven, and with this, the right hand, I bring her close to me. Eight, turning, break. Now I bring them to me. One, I keep bringing her to me on the line. Two, and I put my foot next to her foot. I slide soutenir down for her. Three, I give her a push. Four and five. Now I give her a push up and a stretch hand. Six, seven, so she stretches up. Now I collect and she makes a break. Down. Eight, I give her styling with my arms. One, two, three. Girls do lady styling. Eva will explain this on the full version of the video. And we go. Four, we push her with the right. Five, we push her with the left. And stop with the left as we tap front. Six. Now on the 7 and 8 with the arm, I'm going to push her very fast and collect with the right. 7 and 8. And we close and we have the free leg as we usually do. So if you want the full version, this is only the snack for you. Go to dancelivetv.com where we have all the explanations, a very long tutorial for the ladies, leading, following, musicality from different angles, and what you need to know to do such kind of a figure. And also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube if you like our videos. Thank you very much. Bye.